What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now I know I've been away for a while, but I am back in a slightly different setting. I'm down in our beautiful lounge at Termos Norfolk, but I've got my choice for Cuban cigar of the week for you all this week, and I've decided to go for the Partagas Shorts. Now this is a lovely looking 4 3/8 by 42 Cuban Puro. Almost there's some slight potpourri and almost cinnamon bark notes on there. It's got some interesting sort of taste notes just on the wrapper as I'm smelling it. It's very well packed in there, very nice and firm. Beautiful cap on the top there and that classic Partagas band. A first time for me on this one, so I'm really excited to see what it's got in store, what flavours to expect. I've had a few Partagas before, so I kind of know the rough idea of the flavours, but in this smaller format, I'm really excited to see what happens. So let's stop talking, let's get this cut and lit. Let's move on to the first third. See you in a second. So I'm coming through the first third on this one. Now the flavours that I've been treated with are predominantly spicy notes in there. So you know, Partagas are quite known for their more full-on flavours. So that spiciness has definitely come to the forefront. It's making me salivate between puffs. So definitely up there in the spice bombs. Quite beautiful though, because just on the background you're getting this almost creamy woody cedar note as well. So it's kind of taking all of the fire away from that spice and just giving it nice warming your palate up, just keeping all the flavors flowing very nicely. The draw is incredible. I've gone for a V-cut on this one, my classic V-cut that I go with pretty much every single cigar, and it's worked amazingly well. So I'm going to sit back and enjoy, take this down through the middle third. Let's see what developments we've got in store there. I hope you'll join me. So guys, just coming through halfway on this one, the flavours have become a little bit more balanced. So that spiciness, as well, it's continued to intensify. The creamy cedar note have really just come through and almost kind of equaled it. So there's no picking up of the spice and then being brought back by the creaminess. It's all just very well balanced and working in absolute harmony. This is a beautiful cigar at an amazing price. It's ideal for those kind of little 20 minutes of escapism if you want to just pop out into the garden, or if you're going out for a little walk around your local area. This is the perfect cigar for that. It's going to give you all of those real interesting Cuban notes, those well-known Partagas flavors in that smaller format, and it works absolutely beautifully. The band's about to come off on this one for me. I'm going to take this down as far as I can go. I'm really enjoying this one. Definitely something that I'm going to be picking up and putting it into my daily rotation in my humidor. Hope you'll join me back in a few seconds. See you soon. So guys, coming down to the final third on this one, probably another 5 minutes or so left of it, but in that final third there was a very interesting development. It's almost like vanilla paste, like vanilla bean paste came through. Just this real interesting sweetness that it's not overly sweet. It's just quite prominent there. So with that spiciness, with that creaminess, and that little addition of that sweetness, as it's coming down to the final third and things are heating up a little bit just in terms of the smoke temperature, the nub is still, it's nice and firm, it's cool to the touch, but that added extra is really it's completed this cigar for me. It's kind of finished with a bang and finished with a flourish, and just what you need from those smaller format cigars. You want development of flavors. You don't want it to just be one dimensional. An absolute must have if you haven't tried these before, or it's been a while since you've had any. Definitely order them right now. So head over to the website, it's C.Gars.com, that's C.G.A.R.S.com, and if you've liked this video, as always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. It's great to be back. I've missed all of you. I'm going to sit back and enjoy this one. Until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.